We'll start with a prayer. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So we'll chant verses 1 to 10 we've done before together, and then we'll start with 11 first. So Om Shuklam Baradharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasanna-vadanan dhyayet sarva-vighnopashantaye Vyasam vasishthanaptaram shakteh pautramakalmasham Parasharatmajam vande shukatatantaponidhim Vyasaya Vishnurupaya Vyasarupaya Vishnave Namo Vai Brahmanidhaye Vasisthaya Namo Namaha Avikaraya Shuddhaya Nityaya Paramatmane Sadaikarupaya Vishnave Sarvajishnave Yasya Smarana Matrena Janma Samsara Bandhanat Vimuchyate Namastasmai Vishnave Prabhavishnave Om Namo Vishnave Prabhavishnave Shri Vaishampayana Uvacha Shrutva Dharmana Sheshena Pavanani Cha Sarvashaha Yudhishthira Shantanavam Punarevabhyabhashata Yudhishthira Uvacha Kime Kandaiva Talloke Kim Vapyekam Parayanam Stuvantah Kankamarchantah Prapnuyurmanavashubham Ko dharma sarvadharmanam bhavatah paramo matah Kinjapan muchyate jantur janma samsara bandhanat Shri Bhishma Uvacha Jagat Prabhun Deva Deva Manantam Purushottamam Stuvannama Sahasrena Purushas Satatothitaha Tameva Charchayan Nityam Bhaktya Purushamavyayam Dhyayan Stuvannamasyamscha Yajamanastamevacha. So we've learned 10 verses in the last class. So before I proceed, do you have any questions or like difficulties in chanting any particular verse? You're on mute, Narayanaji.
I'm okay.
Okay. All right. We'll start with the 11th verse. So here, Anadi Nidhanam Vishnu, the Anuswara takes the nasalized vakara sound So Anadi Nidhanam Vishnum, and there is a Murdhanya Shakara here. So it should be distinctly heard as Murdhanya sound here. And in the second line, Lokadhyaksham, this Ksha, it is Kakara and Murdhanya Shakara. So the Murdhanya Shakara sound needs to be heard distinctly. And Sarva Dukha. So here, Jihva Mulya, the Visarga takes a Jihva Mulya sound. So Sarva Dukha Tigo Bhavet. Okay, yeah. So, did you find that? Okay. Anadinidhanam Vishnum.
Anadinidhanam Vishnum. Anadinidhanam Vishnum.
Sarvalokamaheeshwaram.
Sarvalokamaheshwaram. Sarvalokamaheshwaram.
Lokadhyaksham stuvannnityam.
Lokadhyaksham stuvannnityam. Lokadhyaksham stuvannnityam.
Sarvadukkhatigo bhavet.
Sarvadukhatiko bhavet. Sarvadukhatiko bhavet.
Anadinidhanam Vishnum Sarvalokamaheeshwaram.
Anadinindhanam Vishnum Sarvalokamaheshwaram. Anadinidhanam Vishnum Sarvalokamaheshwaram.
Lokadhyaksham stuvannnityam sarvadukkhatigo bhavet.
Lokadhyaksham stuvannnityam sarvadukhatiko bhavet.
Anadinidhanam Vishnum Sarvalokamaheeshwaram. Lokadhyaksham stuvannnityam sarvadukkhatigo bhavet.
Anadinindhanam Vishnum Sarvalokamaheshwaram. Lokadhyaksham stuvannnityam Sarvadukhatiko bhavet.
Would anybody like to try?
I can try.
Please try.
Anadinidhanam Vishnum Sarvalokamaheeshwaram Lokadhyaksham Stuvannnityam Sarvadukkhatigo bhavet.
Well done. Let's go on to the second verse. 12th. Brahmanyam sarvadharmagnyam.
Brahmanyam sarvadharmagnyam. Brahmanyam sarvadharmagnyam.
Lokanang kirtivardhanam.
Lokanam kirtivardhanam. Lokanam kirtivardhanam.
Lokanatham mahadbhutam.
Lokanatham mahadbhutam. Lokanatham mahadbhutam.
Sarvabhuta bhavodbhavam.
Sarvabhuta bhavodbhavam. Sarvabhuta bhavodbhavam.
So here, the first line, when you're chanting continuously without a break, the anuswara here takes a nasalized la sound. Brahmanyam sarvadharmagnyam lokanam. So the nasalized l sound is heard here. And lokanam kirti vardhanam kakha gaghanga. The nasalized, the fifth of the class. Anuswara takes the fifth of the class here. So I'll chant line by line. Brahmanyam sarvadharmagnyam lokanam kirtivardhanam.
Brahmanyam sarvadharmagnyam lokanam kirtivardhanam. Brahmanyam sarvadharmagnyam lokanam kirtivardhanam.
Okay.
Lokanatham mahadbhutam sarvabhutabhavodbhavam.
Lokanatam mahadbhutam sarvabhutabhavodbhavam. Lokanatam mahadbhutam sarvabhutabhavodbhavam.
So if you are not able to chant without taking a break, it's okay. So when you are taking a pause, then the anuswara has to be heard as dharmagnyam ma. If you are choosing to say the whole sentence, then only the anuswara takes a nasalized la sound. So I'll chant the whole verse. Brahmanyam sarvadharmagnyam lokanam kirtivardhanam. Lokanatham mahadbhutam sarvabhutabhavodbhavam.
Brahmanyam sarvadharmagnyam lokanam kirtivardhanam. Lokanatham mahadbhutam sarvabhutabhavodbhavam.
Well done. Would anybody like to try?
Brahmanyam sarvadharmanyam lokanatham kirtivardhanam lokanatham mahadbhutam sarvabhuta bhavodbhavam.
Well done.
Gayatri ji, can I ask a question?
Yes.
Please? How do you, like with your mouth, how do you form that, the nasal l, that like,
Nasalized
yeah, how does that work in the, like, is it a palatal like thing or?
it's dantya because la la, right? It's dantya, but then nasal sound also comes, dental. So
Okay.
sarva brahmanyam sarva dharmagnyam.
Okay.
You're trying to say la, but then a nasalized sound comes. So dharmagnyam lokanam. I'll try to see if I can find any words that are there in English in transliteration, so you can find the nasalized la. I can show it to you better, maybe.
Well, that was helpful. Thank you. I think that answered my question. Thanks.
Thank you. Okay, so we'll move on to the next verse. Esha me sarvadharmanam.
Esha me sarvadharmanam. Esha me sarvadharmanam.
Dharmodhikatamo mataha.
Dharmodhikatamo mataha. Dharmodhikatamo mataha.
Yad bhaktya pundarikaksham.
Yad bhaktya pundarikaksham. Yad पुण्डरीकाक्षम्
स्तवैरर्चैर्नरः सदा
स्तवैरर्चेनरः सदा स्तवैरर्चेनरः सदा.
So, the first line, when we are chanting in one line without a break, you should chant it as Esha me sarva dharmanan dharmodhikatamo mataha. Nakara comes. So the Anuswara takes the form of a Nakara here.
Nakara.
And then in the second line, the Visarga here takes as changes to a Sakara. So Stavairarchainarasada. So a stress on the Sakara is seen, is heard. So I'll chant line by line. Esha me sarvadharmanan dharmodhikatamo mataha.
एष मे सर्वधर्माणां धर्मोऽधिकतमो मतः
Yadbhaktya pundarikaaksham stavairatchainarasada.
यद्भक्त्या पुण्डरीकाक्षं स्तवैरर्चेनरः सदा
Esha me sarvadharmanam dharmodhikatamo mataha. Yadbhaktya pundarikaksham stavairatchainarasada.
एष मे सर्वधर्माणां धर्मोऽधिकतमो मतः यद्भक्त्या पुण्डरीकाक्षं स्तवैरर्चेनरः सदा.
Nice. Would anybody like to try?
I can try.
I can try.
Go ahead.
एष मे सर्वधर्माणां धर्मोऽधिकतमो मतः यद्भक्त्या पुण्डरीकाक्षं स्तवैरर्चेनरः सदा.
Well done. Next one. Here, the Anuswara takes a nasalized ya. So Paramayyo Mahattejaf, and here the Visarga changes to Upadmaniya sound for sound. And here again the Anuswara takes a nasalized ya. Paramayyo Mahattapaha. The same thing here. And then Paramayyaf Parayanam, here also Upadmaniya sound. So Paramayyo Mahattejaha.
परमय्यो महत्तेजः परमय्यो महत्तेजः
Paramayyo Mahattapaha.
परमय्यो महत्तपः परमय्यो महत्तपः
Paramayyo Mahatbrahma.
परमय्यो महद्ब्रह्म परमय्यो महद्ब्रह्म
Paramayyaf Parayanam.
परमय्यः परायणम् परमय्यः परायणम्
Paramayyo Mahattejaf. Paramayyo Mahattapaha.
परमय्यो महत्तेजः परमय्यो महत्तपः
Paramayyo Mahatbrahma. Paramayyaf Parayanam.
परमय्यो महद्ब्रह्मः परमय्यः परायणम्.
There is no.
I know, that was weird, sorry.
Yes.
परमय्यो महद्ब्रह्मः परमय्यः परायणम्
Paramayyo Mahattejaf. परमय्यो महत्तपः परमय्यो महद्ब्रह्म परमय्यः परायणम्
परमयो महत्तेजः परमयो महत्तपः परमयो महद्ब्रह्म परमय्यः परायणम्.
Would anybody like to try?
I can try. परमय्यो महत्तेजः परमय्यो महत्तपः परमय्यो महद्ब्रह्म परमय्यः परायणम्.
Well done. Very nice. Next verse. Here also the Anuswara takes a nasalized ya sound. Pavitranam pavitranyo and then Mangalanam cha mangalam. Here Jacha Jachanya. So the fifth of the class is taken in the place of Anuswara. And here Daivatan Devatana. So Nakara, the Anuswara takes the form of a na. And then Bhutanayo Vyayaf Pita. Here Anuswara takes a nasalized ya. And then the Visarga changes to Upadhaniya sound. Yo Vyayaf Pita. Pavitranam pavitranyo
Pavitranam pavitranyo Pavitranam pavitranyo
Mangalanam cha mangalam
Mangalanam cha mangalam Mangalanam cha mangalam
Daivatan devatanam cha
Daivatam devatanam cha Daivatam devatanam cha
Bhutanayo Vyayaf Pita
Bhutanayo vyapitaha
Bhutanayo Vyayaf Pita
Bhutanayo vyapita Bhutanayo vyapita
Pavitranam pavitranyo Mangalanam cha mangalam
Pavitranam pavitranyo Mangalanam cha mangalam
Daivatan devatanam cha Bhutanayo Vyayaf Pita
Daivatam devatanam cha Bhutanayo vyapita
Pavitranam pavitranyo Mangalanam cha mangalam
Pavitranam pavitranyo Mangalanam cha mangalam
Yeah, I'll chant the whole verse. Pavitranam pavitranyo Mangalanam cha mangalam Daivatan devatanam cha Bhutanayo Vyayaf Pita
Pavitranam pavitranyo Mangalanam cha mangalam Daivatam devatanam cha Bhutanayo vyapita.
Who would like to try?
Pavitranam pavitranyo Mangalanam cha mangalam Daivatam devatanam cha Bhutanayo Vyayapitam.
Well, Here, I don't think I heard the nakara. Daivatan devatanancha. Can you say
Okay.
that once more?
Daivatan devatanancha.
Yeah.
Daivatan devatam. Okay.
Thank
Thank you.
Gayatri, I have a question. Can you see that Bhutanam, it is there, right, in my paper?
Bhutanam, is that?
Yeah, Bhutanam Yo Yaha for my,
Yeah.
I
So
don't know.
the makara is there or anuswara is there?
Oh, I have no clue about that, but I can just read that Bhutanam Yo Yaha Pita.
Yeah, so here the ma anuswara, it changes when you chant continuously, right? So if you're so when we are chanting Daivatan Devatanancha, that is considered one pada, right? And then the second pada, we are not taking a break here. So if when we are not taking a break, then the anuswara changes its form to nasalized ya. And then here also yo vyayaf pita. So the upadhaniya sound comes. So bhutanai yo vyayaf pita. That's how we chant. Even though we see the anuswara, we chant it like that.
Thank you.
So we did 5 verses so far. So we'll chant from the top together from 11th. अनादिनिधनं विष्णुं सर्वलोकमहेश्वरं लोकाध्यक्षं स्तुवन्नित्यं सर्वदुःखातिगो भवेत् ब्रह्मण्यं सर्वधर्मज्ञं लोकानां कीर्तिवर्धनम् लोकनाथं महद्भूतं सर्वभूतभवोद्भवम् एष मे सर्वधर्माणां धर्मोऽधिकतमो मतः यद्भक्त्या पुण्डरीकाक्षं स्तवैरर्चैर्नरः सदा परमय्यो महत्तेजः परमय्यो महत्तपः परमय्यो महत्ब्रह्म परमय्यः परायणम् पवित्राणां पवित्रय्यो मङ्गलानां च मङ्गलम् दैवतं देवतानां च भूतानां यो व्ययः पिता. So we'll move on to the 16th verse. Here, the visarga, yata sarvani, the visarga takes the form of a sakar right here. So, yata sarvani bhutani bhavanti adi yuga game. And here, the anuswara takes a nasalized ya. And this ksha, the murdhanya sound needs to be heard here. So, yata sarvani bhutani.
यतः सर्वाणि भूतानि यतः सर्वाणि भूतानि
भवन्त्यादियुगागमे
भवन्त्यादियुगागमे
यस्मिंश्च प्रलयं यान्ति
यस्मिंश्च प्रलयं यान्ति यस्मिंश्च प्रलयं यान्ति
पुनरेव युगक्षये
पुनरेव युगक्षये पुनरेव युगक्षये
यतः सर्वाणि भूतानि भवन्त्यादियुगागमे.
ये यतः सर्वाणि भूतानि भवन्त्यादियुगागमे
यस्मिंश्च प्रलयं यान्ति पुनरेव युगक्षये
यस्मिंश्च प्रलयं यान्ति पुनरेव युगक्षये
Yeah.
यस्मिंश्च प्रलयं यान्ति पुनरेव युगक्षये
यतः सर्वाणि भूतानि भवन्त्यादियुगागमे यस्मिंश्च प्रलयं यान्ति पुनरेव युगक्षये
यतः सर्वाणि भूतानि भवन्त्यादियुगागमे यस्मिंश्च प्रलयं यान्ति पुनरेव युगक्षये
Would like to try?
I can try maybe.
Please.
यतः सर्वाणि भूतानि भवन्त्यादियुगागमे यस्मिन् च प्रलयं यान्ति पुनरेव युगक्षये.
Well done. And then, yeah, in the 17th verse, there's nothing. Tasya loka pradhanasya jagannathasya bhupate. Here, the Murdhanya Shakara needs to be heard. Shani bhava bhavaham. So, tasya loka pradhanasya
तस्य लोकप्रधानस्य
Jagannathasya bhupate
जगन्नाथस्य भूपते
Vishnurnama sahasram me
विष्णोर्नामा सहस्रं मे विष्णोर्नामा सहस्रं मे
Vishnurnama sahasram me
विष्णोर्नाम सहस्रं मे विष्णोर्नाम सहस्रं मे
Shrunu papabhayapaham
शृणु पापभयापहम् शृणु पापभयापहम्
Tasya loka pradhanasya jagannathasya bhupate
तस्य लोकप्रधानस्य जगन्नाथस्य भूपते तस्य लोकप्रधानस्य जगन्नाथस्य भूपते
Vishnurnama sahasram me Shrunu papabhayapaham
विष्णोर्नाम सहस्रं मे शृणु पापभयापहम्
तस्य लोकप्रधानस्य जगन्नाथस्य भूपते विष्णोर्नाम सहस्रं मे शृणु पापभयापहम्
तस्य लोकप्रधानस्य जगन्नाथस्य भूपते विष्णोर्नाम सहस्रं मे शृणु पापभयापहम्
Would anybody like to try?
I have a question. When I hear you, I hear Jagannathasya. That is correct, right?
Correct, yeah. That is
Yeah.
correct. Yeah, there is
Uh, when the other lady was singing,
Do you want to try?
I didn't hear that. That's why.
Yeah, it is Jagannathasya.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you want to try chanting? Would you like to try chanting?
Yeah, I got it. Okay. Okay. तस्य लोकप्रधानस्य जगन्नाथस्य भूपते विष्णोर्नाम सहस्रं मे शृणु पाप भयापहम्.
Yes.
I noticed it's pretty hard to go pa pa and then bah in that last word.
No, and
Very hard to go with soft consonant there.
also I lose my breath.
Mm.
It looks like you have to take a kind of a break after May. I don't know if
Chanting is pranayamam, so you'll increase your lung capacity eventually.
okay. All right, I will do that.
Yes. Okay. 18th verse. We have in the second line Rishibhi, Murdhanya Shakara, and Vakshyami. Murdhanya sound needs to be heard here. So Yani Namani Gaunani
यानि नामानि गौणानि यानि नामानि गौणानि
Vikhyatani Mahatmanaha
विख्यातानि महात्मनः विख्यातानि महात्मनः
Rishibhif Parigitani
ऋषिभिः परिगीतानि ऋषिभिः परिगीतानि
Tani Vakshyami Bhutaye
तानि वक्ष्यामि भूतये तानि वक्ष्यामि भूतये
There is a second. So Yani Namani Gaunani Vikhyatani Mahatmanaha
यानि नामानि गौणानि विख्यातानि महात्मनः
Rishibhif Parigitani Tani Vakshyami Bhutaye
ऋषिभिः परिगीतानि तानि वक्ष्यामि भूतये
Yani Namani Gaunani Vikhyatani Mahatmanaha Rishibhif Parigitani Tani Vakshyami Bhutaye
यानि नामानि गौणानि विख्यातानि महात्मनः ऋषिभिः परिगीतानि तानि वक्ष्यामि भूतये
Would anybody like to try?
I can go. यानि नामानि गौणानि विख्यातानि महात्मनः ऋषिभिः परिगीतानि तानि वक्ष्यामि भूतये.
Well done. Here, Murdhanya Shakara is there, Rishir Namna. And then in the second line, Chando Nushtup. And Tatha Devo Devaha. Like if you're splitting, if you're taking a pause here, then Chando Nushtup Tatha Devaha Bhagavan Devaki Sutaha. If you're not taking a pause, then छन्दोनुष्ठुप् तथा देवो भगवान् देवकीसुतः. It's like that. So ऋषिर्नाम्नां सहस्रस्य 19. ऋषिर्नाम्नां सहस्रस्य
Rishir. Sorry, I don't see.
You got it? Would anybody like to repeat after me?
I can try.
Yeah. Okay. ऋषिर्नाम्नां सहस्रस्य
Rishirnamnam sahasrasya.
once again.
Rishirnamnam sahasrasya.
वेदव्यासो महामुनिः
Vedavyaso mahamunihi. Vedavyaso mahamunihi.
छन्दोनुष्ठुप् तथा देवः
Chando nushtuptata devaha. Chando nushtuptata devaha.
भगवान् देवकीसुतः
Bhagavan devaki sutaha. Bhagavan devaki sutaha.
ऋषिर्नाम्नां सहस्रस्य वेदव्यासो महामुनिः
Rishirnamnam sahasrasya vedavyaso mahamunihi. Rishir, sorry.
Yeah, go ahead.
Rishirnamnam sahasrasya vedavyaso mahamunihi.
छन्दोनुष्टुप् तथा देवो भगवान् देवकीसुतः
Chando nushtuptata devo bhagavan devaki sutaha. Chando nushtuptata devo bhagavan devaki sutaha.
ऋषिर्नाम्नां सहस्रस्य वेदव्यासो महामुनिः छन्दोनुष्टुप् तथा देवो भगवान् देवकीसुतः
Rishirnamnam sahasrasya vedavyaso mahamunihi. Chando nushtuptata devo bhagavan devaki sutaha.
Very well done. Would anybody like to chant this? 19th.
I can do this.
Go ahead.
ऋषिर्नाम्नां सहस्रस्य वेदव्यासो महामुनिः चण्डो नुष्टुप्तदा देवो भगवान् देवकीसुतः.
Well done. 20th. Here, this in the second line, Trisama Hridayantasya, the Anuswara changes to na, nakara here. That's all. Did you find it?
Yeah, just put it.
Okay. Amritam Shudbhavo Bijam
Amritam Shudbhavo Bijam. Amritam Shudbhavo Bijam.
Shaktir Devaki Nandanaha
शक्तिर्देवकीनन्दनः शक्तिर्देवकीनन्दनः
त्रिसामाहृदयन्तस्य
त्रिसामहृदयन्तस्य त्रिसामहृदयन्तस्य
त्रिसामाहृदयन्तस्य
त्रिसामाहृदयन्तस्य
शान्त्यर्थे विनियुज्यते
शान्त्यर्थे विनियुज्यते शान्त्यर्थे विनियुज्यते
अमृतांशुद्भवो बीजं शक्तिर्देवकीनन्दनः
अमृतांशुद्भवो बीजं शक्तिर्देवकीनन्दनः
त्रिसामाहृदयन्तस्य शान्त्यर्थे विनियुज्यते
त्रिसामाहृदयन्तस्य शान्त्यर्थे विनियुज्यते
अमृतांशुद्भवो बीजं शक्तिर्देवकीनन्दनः त्रिसामाहृदयन्तस्य शान्त्यर्थे विनियुज्यते
अमृतांशुद्भवो बीजं शक्तिर्देवकीनन्दनः त्रिसामाहृदयन्तस्य शान्त्यर्थे विनियुज्यते
Would like to repeat.
अमृतांशुद्भवो बीजं शक्तिर्देवकीनन्दनः त्रिसामाहृदयं तस्य शान्त्यर्थो विनियुज्यते.
Okay, well done. So last verse for today. Here Vishnu, Murdhanya Shakara is there, and then the Anuswara takes a nya sound, cha cha ja cha nya, the fifth of its class. And then in Vishnu, the Shakara is Murdhanya. In the second line, Anekarupa Daityantan Namami. So there is a Anuswara takes a na sound here. Namami Purushottamam, Murdhanya Shakara here, Purushottamam. So Vishnun Jishnum Mahavishnum
Vishnum Jishnum Mahavishnum Vishnum Jishnum Mahavishnum
Prabhavishnum Maheshwaram
Prabhavishnum Maheshwaram Prabhavishnum Maheshwaram
Anekarupa Daityantam
Anekarupa Daityantam Anekarupa Daityantam
Namami Purushottamam
Namami Purushottamam Namami Purushottamam
Vishnun Jishnum Mahavishnum Prabhavishnum Maheshwaram
Vishnum Jishnum Mahavishnum Prabhavishnum Maheshwaram
Anekarupa Daityantan Namami Purushottamam
Anekarupa Daityantam Namami Purushottamam
Vishnun Jishnum Mahavishnum Prabhavishnum Maheshwaram Anekarupa Daityantan Namami Purushottamam
विष्णुं जिष्णुं महाविष्णुं प्रभविष्णुं महेश्वरम् अनेकरूपदैत्यान्तं नमामि पुरुषोत्तमम्
Would like to repeat.
So I have a question. So the third line, is it Daityantan or Daityantam?
So,
Anek Rupa Daityan.
so first time when I chanted, I took a pause here, right? So I chanted as Daityantam. But when I chanted, when we are chanting without taking a pause, it's Daityantan Namami. Na.
Okay.
And this one changes to Na.
Sorry, how about the first line? If you were chanting without a break, is it Vishnum, Jishnum?
Here, after the first Vishnu, and because this Anuswara changes to Nya, Cha Cha Ja Cha Nya, the
Yeah.
fifth of the Chakara class, fifth of the Cha class.
Okay.
So I'll chant once more. You
Yes.
can observe. Vishnun Jishnum Mahavishnum Prabhavishnum Maheshwaram Anekarupadaittyantan Namami Purushottamam.
विष्णुं जिष्णुं महाविष्णुं प्रभविष्णुं महेश्वरम् अनेकरूपदैत्यां तं नमामि पुरुषोत्तमम्
Purushottamam. The two takaras are there. Purushottamam.
पुरुषोत्तमं
Purushottamam.
पुरुषोत्तमं
Yes, got it.
some emphasis.
It's needed, yeah.
Okay.
Would anybody like to chant?
I can try.
Please try.
Vishnum Jishnum Mahavishnum Prabhavishnum Maheshwaram Anekarupa Daityantan Namami Purushottamam.
You got it. So we'll chant from the beginning, all the 21 verses that we've learned so far. I'll chant slowly, so you can also follow along and try to remember the modifications, like the sandhis wherever they are happening, and Mahapranas. Try to give a little more effort when you're pronouncing the Mahapranas, because that's where we don't usually differentiate between the Alpa Pranas and Mahapranas when you're chanting. So, Shuklam Baradharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vighnopashantaye Vyasam Vasishthanaptaram Shakte Pautramakalmasham Parasharatmajam Vande Shukatatantaponidhim Vyasaya Vishnurupaya Vyasarupaya Vishnave Namo Vai Brahmanidhaye Vasishthaya Namo Namaha Avikaraya Shuddhaya Nityaya Paramatmane Sadaikarupaya Vishnave Sarvajishnave Yasya Smarana Matrena जन्म संसारबन्धनात् विमुच्यते। नमस्तस्मै विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे। ॐ नमो विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे। श्रीवैशम्पायन उवाच श्रुत्वा धर्मानशेषेण पावनानि च सर्वशः युधिष्ठिरशान्तनवम् पुनरेवाभ्यभाषत। युधिष्ठिर उवाच किमेकं दैवतं लोके किं वाप्येकं परायणम् स्तुवन्तः कङ्कमर्चन्तः प्राप्नुयुर्मानवाः शुभम्। को धर्मः सर्वधर्माणां भवतः परमो मतः किञ्जपन्मुच्यते जन्तुर्जन्म संसारबन्धनात्। श्रीभीष्म उवाच जगत्प्रभुं देवदेवमनन्तं पुरुषोत्तमं स्तुवन्नाम सहस्रेण पुरुषः सततोत्थितः। तमेव चार्चयन् नित्यं भक्त्या पुरुषमव्ययम् ध्यायन् स्तुवन् नमस्यंश्च यजमानस्तमेव च। अनादिनिधनं विष्णुं सर्वलोकमहेश्वरम् लोकाध्यक्षं स्तुवन्नित्यं सर्वदुःखातिगो भवेत्। ब्रह्मण्यं सर्वधर्मज्ञं लोकानां कीर्तिवर्धनम् लोकनाथं महद्भूतं सर्वभूतभवोद्भवम्। एष मे सर्वधर्माणां धर्मोऽधिकतमो मतः यद्भक्त्या पुण्डरीकाक्षं स्तवैरर्चेन्नरः सदा। परमय्यो महत्तेजः परमय्यो महत्तपः परमय्यो महद्ब्रह्म परमय्यः परायणम्। पवित्राणां पवित्रय्यो मङ्गलानां च मङ्गलम् दैवतं देवतानां च भूतानां यो व्ययः पिता। यतः सर्वाणि भूतानि भवन्त्यादियुगागमे यस्मिंश्च प्रलयं यान्ति पुनरेव युगक्षये। तस्य लोकप्रधानस्य जगन्नाथस्य भूपते विष्णोर्नाम सहस्रं मे शृणु पापभयापहम्। यानि नामानि गौणानि विख्यातानि महात्मनः ऋषिभिः परिगीतानि तानि वक्ष्यामि भूतये। ऋषिर्नाम्नां सहस्रस्य वेदव्यासो महामुनिः छन्दोनुष्टुप् तथा देवो भगवान् देवकीसुतः अमृतांशुद्भवो बीजं शक्तिर्ब्रह्मोपनिषत्सु मूर्तिर्देवकीनन्दनः त्रिसामाहृदयं तस्य शान्त्यर्थे विनियुज्यते विष्णुं जिष्णुं महाविष्णुं प्रभविष्णुं महेश्वरम् अनेकरूपदैत्यान्तं नमामि पुरुषोत्तमम्. So we'll chant. What is that? Oh. Okay. I thought there is Yadakshara Padabhrashtam here. Yeah, okay. Do you want to repeat this? So you can also repeat all of you.
Yes, please.
Yadakshara Padabhrashtam
यदक्षरपदभ्रष्टम् यदक्षरपदभ्रष्टम्
Matrahinam tu yadbhavet
मात्राहीनं तु यद्भवेत् मात्राहीनं तु यद्भवेत्
Tatsarvam kshamyatam deva
तत्सर्वं क्षम्यतां देव तत्सर्वं क्षम्यतां देव
Prasida Purushottama
प्रसीद पुरुषोत्तमा प्रसीद पुरुषोत्तमा
Yadakshara Padabhrashtam Matrahinam tu yadbhavet
यदक्षरपदभ्रष्टं मात्रहीनं तु यद्भवेत्
Tatsarvam kshamyatam deva prasida purushottama Tatsarvam kshamyatam deva prasida purushottama Yadakshara Padabhrashtam Matrahinam tu yadbhavet Tatsarvam kshamyatam deva prasida purushottama Yadakshara Padabhrashtam Matrahinam tu yadbhavet Tatsarvam kshamyatam deva prasida purushottama. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.
Thank you, Gayatri.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.